Good morning. Good morning. Lua, you looking at the birds up there? She's just perched up on the windowsill. What are you doing, silly girl? Going outside? It's a nice morning finally. Vitamin time. Kang's all here. Hayden's all dressed. Oh, big boy. I like your new outfit. All right, just got out of the shower and threw this on. I'm not gonna have enough time to dry my hair before I have to take the kids to school. So I'm just gonna let it air dry and I'll come back and finish hair and makeup after I take them to school. But it's such a busy day. So I'm gonna take them to school. I'm meeting my friend to go golfing. I'm so excited. We have not gone golfing in so long. And we said, like, we're both moms. Like, when you're a mom, you just don't have the time. And it is such a perfect day. We've been looking at the weather for like weeks and we're like, we're gonna go do it. So we're gonna go golfing and then have other just like work stuff to do, get the kids from school. And then I got invited to the Journey concert that's here tonight. That's part of the like Browns draft, I guess they're having at the stadium. So I'm so excited. Still have no idea what I'm gonna wear to that though. So I need to figure that out later too.
Roses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no
Going to school.
time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good.
I am starving and I need something quick, so I'm gonna grab one of my favorites, one of my David protein bars. And a huge thank you to David for sponsoring today's video on my channel. These are my favorite protein bars I've ever eaten. You guys know I'm so excited to partner up with David because there are 28 grams of protein and only 150 calories in these bars. They come in so many delicious flavors. My favorite is the peanut butter chocolate chunk, but the other flavors that I love that I've tried too is there's a blueberry pie, a chocolate chip cookie dough, and a cake batter. These are perfect for these busy days when I'm on the go. I can't be cooking something up in the kitchen, but I wanna make sure I'm getting enough protein because I've been trying to have a very high protein diet and I feel like it's helped me so much, not only look slimmer and leaner, but just feel so much better. And I looked it up, you're supposed to have 1 gram of protein for every pound that you weigh. So that means I should be having around 130 grams of protein every single day. So I love the fact that these bars have those 28 grams of protein, but they're not super high in calories. They're also just freaking delicious. I'm gonna open it up so you can see. It is so soft and chewy and the taste isn't gritty or grimy. They're sure to so good. I love these. I actually even put my purse out because I always make sure I have a couple thrown into my purse for when I am out running around. You know, if I start to feel that low energy or a little bit dizzy and I need something, these are the perfect thing to have for when you're on the go. And these bars were very intentionally designed with all the scientific research to optimize muscle gain, fat loss, and overall performance. That's why leading dietitians, doctors, and athletes are all loving David too. Ready to increase your protein without increasing the calories? You can scan the QR code that I have here on the screen, or you can use my link down in the description box below and you get a free carton with any order of 4 or more. And thank you, David, for sponsoring today's video. They're seriously my favorite. You have to try them. All right, let's go golfing. I don't know the last time I've golfed. I'm thinking about this right now. Might have been before I had Landon. which is like so sad how like hobbies you love just get thrown out the window when you love kids, but it is like the perfect day. I am so freaking stoked right now. We are here. Oh my God, it's the perfect day. Jill, look at this. Who's both on the green? Perfection. It's like the most perfect day too. Oh my gosh. Send help. I think I've lost 4 balls today. I can't see them. I think I need to get my eyes checked. Like, I think I'm getting old. So I don't see where they go, and then I lose them, and I just drive around aimlessly. I have no idea where my balls are. Lost my balls. Oops. We didn't get through 9, but that's okay. It was more to get out here, play again. Only 4 balls lost. Call that a win.
All by you.
Yeah, I was the only one who lost my balls. It's so predictable, you guys. I got my usual little lawnmower shot. That's what I always call it, because it tastes like licking the bottom of a lawnmower. Haha. Say it every time, but really does. Cheers. Just gets better and better every time. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy we got out to do this day. It was the most perfect day. Could not have asked for better weather. That was so fun. I'm definitely gonna go out and golf as much as I can now. I feel like especially I'm like doing it for my dad. Trying to clean up all the garbage I have in my car. It's just always trash, mom car life. Because he's the one who like made me learn how to golf. He was like, I never want you to be left out of a business meeting or anything, because he's like, you know, it's where men go to talk business. He was just like, you have to learn how to golf, be on the golf team. So doing it for him, doing it for you, Dad. Hi there. What a funny place to lay. I just like walked up the stairs and she is chilling right here. Hello. How's your day been? You're so funny. You're so funny. And so cute. Hi. I know I went golfing. I need to shower because I am so sweaty. As usual, I'm running so late, but this is the outfit for the Journey concert. I can just feel the seasonal depression leaving my body right now. Driving with the windows open, sun is shining, blue skies. Oh my God. Best day ever. Like the most perfect day, not only to golf, but to go to an outdoor concert. Thank you, Jesus, for the sunshine. Oh my God, look at those pretty clouds up there today. Isn't that beautiful?
Look, it's flashing out.